Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new Adobe Illustrator Easter video. My name is Marie. I'm a graphic designer and I create all kinds of neat content like illustrations, 3D simulations, and branding using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started with this Easter egg video. Use the ellipse tool to create a circle. Use the direct selection tool to select the top anchor point and drag it up to create an oval shape. Use the rectangle tool to cover half of our oval. Select both shapes, go to Pathfinder, and click minus front. Now with our half oval selected, we're going to go to Effect, 3D, Revolve. We're going to change this to right edge, and here is our first egg. Click on more options so we can play around with the lights. Fix the lighting on our egg the way we want it. When you're satisfied, click OK to close the 3D panel. Then I'm going to select the 3D egg, hold Alt while dragging to create a copy, and then while selected, I'm going to right click on the mouse, arrange send to back. While your egg is selected, go to the Appearance panel and double click on 3D Revolve. Now I'm going to change the perspective and the position using this cube of the second egg. Again, when satisfied, click OK to close the 3D panel. Then now I'm going to select my first egg and reopen the 3D panel, always through the Appearance panel, and add the perspective that I did not add before. Now I'm going to select my second egg, drag it while holding Alt to create a third egg, and again opening the 3D panel through the Appearance panel. I'm going to change the position of this third egg so that our composition of today will have a total of 3 eggs. After you have positioned the eggs, you can also change the lighting on the individual eggs. I just left the same lighting that I had created on the first egg. Now that we have our eggs, it's time to create the patterns that we're going to apply to our eggs. So I created this white square, which is going to be the base. Inside I'm going to create the pattern that I want to use, a few lines, a few flowers, using basic shapes, rectangles, ellipse tool, circle. I'm going to color them using different shades of pink and purple. Add some details to the top. Now I'm going to select the bottom rectangle, Control-C to copy, Control-F paste to front, and change the color to black. I'm going to select everything, Control-7 to mask. While our pattern is selected, go to the symbol panel, create new symbol. I'm going to name it, change the graphic, and OK. As you can see, the symbol was added to the symbol panel. Now any modification you make to the symbol, for example, I'm going to double click on the background and change the color from white to, no, I don't like this light blue. I'm going to change it to a pinkish. Double click background. Okay, so now any modification I make to the symbol will be modified automatically. See, go to the symbol panel. You don't have to resave it. Okay, so now click on the egg, go to the appearance panel, open the 3D panel, click on map art, go up here, add our symbol to the egg, adapt the symbol to fit the egg. Then I'm going to click on shade artwork. Okay. And okay. Wait, I have to modify this. I have to fix right there. Okay. And okay, so now the pattern that I created and saved as symbol, I now added to the 3D egg. Now I'm going to repeat these steps with the other two eggs. So I'm going to create two more patterns that are different. I could reuse the same one and add it to the other two just like I did with the first one, but I want them all three to be different. So I'm going to create my second pattern using little triangles this time. And a few zigzag lines. Also, I'm going to use shades of blue, and I'm also going to add a text. So when you're done, you create the mask again, just like we did before. Create a black rectangle, select everything, Control 7 to mask. Then create a new symbol to the symbol panel. Name it, change it to graphic. Select the egg you want to apply this new symbol to. Open the 3D panel, go to map art and add the symbol you want to add to the egg. Click OK. Now I'm going to move the egg around a little bit using the position cube just so you can read the text better. And our second egg is ready. Now, last but not least, our third egg. I'm going to create a new pattern again. This time I'm going to create like a very simple one just to be quick. I'm just going to create a few lines using the rectangle tool. Like a thicker one and a thinner one, and that's it. I'm going to drag and copy. I'm going to reposition them so they fit. And I'll use like a pink and red tone for this last one. Pink, and we'll color the stripes like a red. There we go. I'm not even going to mask it because there's no need. Okay, create new symbol. Okay. Select the egg, go to the appearance panel, open the 3D panel, preview, and go to map art. You could also click scale to fit, but I prefer to scale it myself. Also, if you choose a symbol and decide that you want to change it, just click clear and substitute it. Okay, shade artwork. So the color is added to the shade of the egg. And here are our 3 eggs with the 3 patterns. Now we're going to add the background and we're all finished. I'm going to use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle that covers the entire artboard. I'm going to change the color and arrange center to back so it's behind the eggs. Then I'm going to lock it with Control 2. And then I'm going to use the ellipse tool to create some shadows. Create the ellipse, go to Effect, Gaussian Blur, and then I'm going to add a gradient to it. Change the blending mode to multiply. Change the gradient angle. Lower the opacity. Then I'm going to drag and copy and to the second egg. Just fix it a little bit and then drag and copy to the third egg. Also here I'm going to adjust it by inverting the gradient, making it a little bit lighter on the right side. And change the angle as well. Modify the ellipse shape, and here we go. Our Easter eggs are finished. Let's add a Happy Easter 2022. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.